Today, I'm going to teach you how to close your Google AdSense account permanently. This is a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks, but it's important to understand that once you close your account, you won't be able to earn revenue from ads on your website anymore, and the decision is final. So let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. This is where you'll manage everything related to your AdSense account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct Google account that's linked to your AdSense profile. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now look over to the left side of your screen where the navigation menu is located. Click on Account. This section contains all the settings and information related to your AdSense account. From there, click on Settings and then select Account Information. This is where Google keeps all your account details and preferences, including the option to close your account permanently. Within the account information section, you'll see various options for managing your account. Look for the option that says Close Account and click on it. This is the starting point for permanently deactivating your AdSense account. Google will likely present you with some information about what closing your account means, so take a moment to review it. Next, you'll see a checkbox labeled AdSense. This checkbox confirms that you understand you're closing your AdSense account specifically. Go ahead and check that box. This step ensures you're making a deliberate choice and not accidentally closing something else. After you've checked the box, you'll see a button that says Close My Accounts. Click on that button to finalize the process. Once you click it, Google will process your request and your AdSense account will be permanently closed. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure you've withdrawn any remaining balance and backed up any data you might need before proceeding. And that's it. Your Google AdSense account is now permanently closed. You've successfully removed your account from the platform, and you won't receive any further ad revenue or communications from AdSense. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.